how to download YouTube app on iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone SE first generation. Even in some old iPads, those who are running in iPad OS version 15 or older. If you are trying to download YouTube app on your old iPhone, you are getting this kind of error. This application requires iOS 16 or later. You must update to iOS 16.0 in order to download and use this application. So in this video, I'm gonna provide you 100% fix of this problem. You can download YouTube application in any older iPhone. The method I'm providing in this video, it also requires an Apple ID. Make sure to watch this video till end if you want to fix YouTube download problem on your old iPhone. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and also turn on the bell icon. So first I will go to home screen and open here App Store and go to search. Here I will search YouTube application. So here you will see YouTube application. First I will delete it from my iPhone. So as you can see, I have deleted YouTube app from my iPhone. Now you can see YouTube like this. If you tap on download button or get button, you will see this kind of error. This application requires iOS 16 or later. You must update to iOS 16 in order to download and use this application. And if you scroll to bottom on this page, you will see here an option called compatibility. If you expand this option here, for iPhone, your iOS version must be iOS 16 or higher. For iPad, your iPad OS version 16.0 or later. Many of you guys are using older iPhones like iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6s, SE first generation. So let me tell you first the reason of this problem. As you know guys, every year Apple releases new iPhone model and also releases new iOS version. Apple don't give iOS update on old iOS devices. Why? Because Apple wants you to switch to newer iPhone model. That's how Apple gonna make money and they will grow. But for downloading some application, nobody wants to change their iPhone. And I have also a method. You can download YouTube application on your older iPhone. Watch this part of video very carefully guys. Any application you download on your iPhone, it binds or added in your Apple account. How you can say? Suppose I download any application from App Store, then I go to paid icon, top right side profile, then apps. That apps will added into your Apple account. Now you want to download this application again on your any iPhone, you need to tap this cloud download icon. Now how you can download YouTube app on old iOS devices? First you need to borrow an Apple ID which have already YouTube app installed, or a guy running their iPhone on latest iOS version, he downloads YouTube app on their iPhone, then you borrow his Apple account, you log in that Apple account into old iPhone like iPhone 6s, 7, 7 Plus, any of these devices into App Store, then you will be able to download YouTube app on your old iPhone. Practically how you can download it, let me show you process. First you need to borrow an Apple ID. Those guys who don't have an Apple account to download YouTube application, I have also a solution for you. You need to watch this video till end. So we need to log in our Apple account into App Store. For this we need to open App Store, then go here top right side, scroll to bottom, tap on sign out. Go to top, tap on sign in with Apple account. Here you will be asked for Apple account and password. You need to log in with that borrowed Apple account. After typing Apple account and password, you need to tap on this continue button. Here it will ask you for two-step verification code. You will be receiving that verification code into another device. You need to borrow that code also and type it here. For me it will not ask verification code because this is my own Apple account and I already log in this Apple account into this iPhone multiple times. After logging in Apple account, you need to simply go into apps. In older iPhones, here you will see purchase. Simply tap on that option. Here you will see YouTube application. For downloading YouTube application, you need to tap on this cloud icon right side. After tapping on this icon, it will ask you a confirmation download older version of YouTube. Simply tap on download. Here what happens, it downloads the best stable version of YouTube application which is compatible with your iOS version. Once downloading is started, you can go back, then scroll to bottom and you can sign out this Apple account. Now in App Store you can log in your own Apple account. YouTube will be installed. As you can see guys, now I will open YouTube application. As you can see, it will 100% work on my old iPhone. Let me show you some video playbacks. So as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. One thing to keep in mind guys, you need to log in that Apple account into App Store, not in settings. Now I would like to talk to those guys who don't have Apple account to download YouTube application on your old iPhone. For you guys, I can give my own Apple account to download YouTube application on your old iPhone. In description you can find my Instagram ID. You can personally DM me. Definitely I will 100% provide you my Apple account. You can download YouTube application with that Apple account, and after downloading YouTube application you can use it on your old iPhone. So definitely you can DM me on Instagram. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe my channel. I only upload iPhone related content on this channel. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.